don't know, man. You guys tell me. Maybe we need some pink shoelaces. So you mean to tell me both these sneakers sell? Not only that, both these sneakers you could get under retail. Rewind. Both these sneakers is at $150. So basically, all I had to do was go in the piggy bank, hit the B-roll. Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. You know, usually I got on some Laker gear, but they struggling, B. But anyway, we're going to do a full, in-depth 4K review on the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined or Remastered. One of those, man. But first, I want to get back to these SATIN joints. Now, they sat. You could buy them with a coupon code. We all know that. I still think the sneaker's fire. But that's my opinion, man. The reason why I feel like these were a little bit better far as on the market is because it came with a bag. So at least you get a bag with it. Even if you had to pay the $190 or the retail price, and now you can get it on StockX and go. But the bag made a big difference. Now with that being said, I really like these blue ones too. It's a play on the Royals. You get the nubuck suede all through. Not a piece of leather in here. That's new and I like it. So I don't really know what to tell people, man. Now as far as me, a little story. I got rid of my Jordan 1 Royals, Game Royals, all of them, because when I saw pictures of these, I was like, I'm gonna be able to freshen up my Royal look because those are kind of beat. For these sneakers to drop to $150, I don't know. Did Nike make too much? Is Jordan 1s really dead? It's some answers that I'm going to have for you guys by the end of the video, or at least by the end of the week. But we don't do too much talking here, man. Well, a little bit talking. As y'all know, the Jordan 11 Napoleons is about to come out. I like the concept. Napoleon ice cream, the chocolate, the vanilla, the strawberry. This sneaker hits all marks for this. But these are even you could get right now before release date under retail. So I don't think it's just a Jordan 1 thing. I think it's a sneaker thing. The sneaker game has been weird, guys. But like y'all know, I always get the sneaker for my son first when I'm indifferent or unsure if I really like the sneaker. So here's like a little quick 360 of the Jordan 11 Napoleon joint. I think it's dope. Dope play on the Concords with the strawberry pink bottom. I like them. But I like these too, man. So like I said, the sneaker game's been weird. Let's unbox them. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get a nice, reflective, looks like silk, black Nike box with the blue Royal all through it, shiny, glossy. I really like this, man. I like this. But again, it's a curse, man. Whenever Jordan 1 changes the box, the sneaker doesn't do well. It reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, royal blue, white. Another plus of this sneaker is when you flip open the lid, well, let me show you guys the quality control stamp. Got them from Finish Line. I'll tell you more about Finish Line a little later in the video. Stay tuned. But they got a quality control stamp. But what I like about this sneaker is when you open up the box, the sneakers are individually wrapped. So no, they didn't give us a bag, which they should have gave us the blue and black bag like they gave us the red and black one. But the reason that was a bag is because it's a woman exclusive. We going down a rabbit hole. But the sneakers are individually wrapped, and that's a nice touch. And let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Jordan 1 Reimagined. Looks like powder, man. I really like this shoe, man. So yeah, let's start with the inside. I usually start with the toe box. I want to start with the inside. All black nubuck suede. And nice nubuck suede, may I add. Like, I don't know if it's because no leather again and threw people off, but that's nice nubuck suede. Same color as the swoosh, which is a royal blue. And this is the first time I've seen colors blend in on a Jordan 1. Also, usually the swoosh cuts off anything here, but the black is what's cutting it off in the back. Another different reimagined look. So let's go to the toe box. Again, nice nubuck suede. You can see it getting lighter, white even. I like it. I don't know if it wrinkles. Try them on in a couple of days and get back to you guys about that. But nice nubuck suede. Listen, you hear it. Nice nubuck suede. Around that, the same kind of nubuck suede. It looks like the same nubuck suede we got in the Supreme Ramalzi joints. The black made me think of that. But not a glue stain, guys. No threading issue. The sneaker is clean. The tongue is all black in that nylon mesh material we always see on the Jordan 1s. You get a royal blue Nike Air swoosh check logo there. The back, all the captions look like when Scarface go off. That's the tongue. It comes in black shoelaces, which I think is overkill on the black. Like, it's a royal, guys. We need more blue than black, I think. But they gave us the Move to Zero box with the royal blue shoelaces. I think this is definitely a lace swap. No thought on my mind. Let me know in the captions below. Are you lace swapping? I'm definitely lace swapping, guys. But you get the Move to Zero box, not the big sandwich bags. So I like that look. The inside looks just like the outside. Again, you don't get a shoe tree. We haven't been getting shoe trees in a long time, guys. But you got the black inside with the Nike Air logo on the inside. The bottom, all royal blue, guys. No black here, all royal blue. I mean, it is what it is. Get back to the side. I know I told you guys no glue stains, but if you look close, it is a little bit of glue there. Not a lot, but enough to be known. The white sandwich inside just gives you that OG look, so there's nothing really reimagined about that. We always get that on the Jordan 1. I guess maybe if they'd have sailed this out or off-whited it, probably would have looked better to you guys. That was the right. This is the left. Same as. I don't have no glue stains on this one. This one is kind of A1. Let's talk about the material on the back. It seems to be more braised than any other material as far as the swoosh and the toe box. This one has like a little bit more to it. Maybe because this part has to be a little bit harder for your heel. But this part has a little bit more that Jordan 6 khaki Cactus Jack look in the back than on the side and the front. The sock liner is also in that nubuck suede, but definitely feels thicker also, but that gotta be for support. And everything else adds up from front to back. So let's answer some questions. When I first saw pictures of the Jordan 1 Reimagined, I thought of Lost and Found, and I think a lot of us did. But I guess when people got it in hand, it just didn't add up. The Lost and Founds put the vintage look on it, the mom and pop store. They did a lot. As far as the Reimagined, they didn't really reimagine anything. They just made it all nubuck suede. So that's one answer I hope that I covered for you guys. Now, as far as Jordan 1s being dead, I mean, definitely could have CPR, definitely could get life. All you got to do is get Travis Scott to drop a new one. Bad Bunny, not Bad Bunny. What's my man name, man?
A few moments later.
J Balvin, but if Bad Bunny get out that deal, that won't be bad neither. But just all you gotta do is get a crazy collab, and it'll pop, man. Like Nike SB has been doing dope, finding them skate shops in Compton and the Cali area, and making a sneaker pop. That's all Jordan 1 got to do. Stop with the reimagined and stop putting layers on the Jordan 1 that wasn't there before. Just get back to the roots, man. But far as me, if I like a Jordan 1, I'm going to get it. And that goes for these and these. But if I had to compare the two, I'm always going BRED, guys. Always going BRED. But these are not bad. And to be honest, the $150 price tag maybe what Jordan 1 should be. Like, the mids are what, 120, and then the lows are like 100. Maybe that 190 gap is too much, man. I mean, that's just how I feel, man. Y'all let me know about these in the comment section below. Get this video up to 15 likes, man. I come through with a fire, hottest style on these, man. Yeah, you know I could do blue and black just like I do red and black, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.